Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix YouTube not showing a full screen option. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. So it's YouTube not showing full screen problem. So for that matter, first thing that you're gonna make sure is you're gonna simply update your YouTube app by going to Play Store and updating it. If you're getting those kind of bugs or errors somehow, you're gonna simply go ahead, search it up and check if your app is updated or not. If it's not, you're gonna simply find this update option instead of open. Go ahead, do that of yourself. Once the app is updated, then you're gonna again go to your settings option. Simply go to your settings, go to this option called apps over here, find your designated app, which is YouTube for us, tap on it. Then you're gonna go to this option called storage over here, and you're gonna simply go ahead, tap on this clear cache option, which will help your YouTube to clear all of the unnecessary storage and make it run pretty good. Then afterwards you're gonna simply go ahead, open up your YouTube app. But if you want, and let's say if I tap on this particular video, if I do this will gonna turn horizontal because this video is just simply uploaded for that reason. So if I see this ad that we just played, it's gonna appear vertically if you tap on this. If you are this kind of problem you're encountering, this is basically it. So basically those are the two options that you can do if you're facing those kind of problem, clearing cache or updating your app, and that way you will be able to solve your problem. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.